How's everybody doing? This will be my first video. I have 5 videos, and like I said, I started making them on September 11th. I started making these videos because I thought this was the highest watch ever until actually one of my videos, as I show, I started making it September 11th. And I will go over my reasons why. This right here was the greatest sign ever. This sign right here, the eclipse in 2024. If you go back 3.5 years, subtract 3.5 years, you come to October 8th. Okay? Now this is the 8th day. This will be, as Mark Biltz will say in one of my videos, this is when you get your new name. When Jesus, at the 8th day, Mark Biltz will go over that. This is the last day of Sukkot. 8 days or 10 days before that is this Day of Atonement. I believe this is when we could leave. But this right here, this date right here is when destruction comes. Okay? This is what's going to be on that day. It's very, very interesting numbers. Draco meteor shower, the dragon, Draconoids. I go over this in all my other videos. This comes on the 7th and 8th. It's also colliding with another, I will show that. It's a rare occurrence on this day. I've got 5 videos on all this. As Jesus said right here, he said in Luke, for the sign was unto the Ninevites, so shall this Son of Man to this generation. So in other words, he's saying, he's comparing himself to Jonah in that the time frame, not that Jonah was any compared to Jesus, but the time frame. And what was their sign? Their sign was an eclipse. Anybody knows about the Ninevites? They had an eclipse over their so this is the greatest importance to me, as far as I'm concerned. 7 years later, if you go split it up, you go 3.5 years back till the Great Tribulation, or the whatever, that comes to October 8th. Okay, I go over this in my other videos. This is when the destruction happens, and as you can see by the Congress schedule right here, they know. And like I said, they took off. This is not normal, and I prove it in my other videos. This is not normal. They took off all October, and they're going to be in their caves. So this is normal. I found out later, and I explained that in my other videos. They usually take a summer break here, but as I can in the election year, as I show in my next video, I have an election year in 2016. They didn't take off this month. They worked all this month. They worked there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks off. So, as I show here, this is when I think we could leave. Could we leave on the October 8th? Yes, we could. But this is high watch for me. So, let's see. This is also 6 months from Passover. They're 6 months apart. As I've shown my one video with Mark Biltz, thinks that Jesus was born on Sukkot. Jesus comes out of his chamber right here. He goes in and make atonement for his sins, and 10 days later is, I explained that in my other videos. But this video is long enough. This is just this is going to be a pre-video, just going over all the information that I have. And like I said, I have roughly 4 or 5 videos. I just got to make sure I put them in right order. So I'm going to put the Mark Biltz one, probably the 3rd one, I'm thinking. John the Baptist was born on Pesach, Passover, and Jesus was born on Sukkot. And Mark Biltz believes that. I believed it after watching this video, and I knew they were 6 months apart. That's in Luke chapter 1. And Mark Biltz goes over all that. Love you all, and these are the 10 days, as I have said. The bride leaves first, and it's in the Bible. It says some of you have tribulation 10 days, so that would be the 8th right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right here. And then the asteroids, the Draconids, Draco. And if you go to Donnie Draco, the movie, the trailer even has October calendar in it, which I thought that was very interesting. Love you all. I hope you are all doing well. In this is just a pre-video. Thank you. Bye.